Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So, this week has not gone according to plan, like, at all. I don't know if that retrograde is for real or not, but it seems like it is this week because, yeah, nothing has gone smoothly. I was supposed to be finishing up the bathroom ceiling. You can see part of that behind me. It's still not finished, and I was really wanting to have this video finished for you today to put out, but the panels that I got in actually were, I went with the cheaper ones. Please don't do that. It's worth an extra $100 to get the pack of good quality ones, because the molds, when they made these, they're a little bit warped. So when you go to put them on flat surfaces with the adhesive, then it won't lay flat. I ended up just having to rig it a bit, and now I'm having to get really creative with an artsy, which is fine, but it'd be nice to just do that because I want to and not because I have to, you know? But anyway, I just wanted to put this video out just to let you guys know what's going on. I will definitely have it finished this week. I'm just trying to figure out a few last minute things to like tie it together, and then I'll get that out as soon as I can. So if there, any questions or anything that you have in the meantime, hit me up. But yeah, I just wanted to put something out today. I just wish it was my bathroom ceiling. But I will see you as soon as possible with that. Make sure your notifications are on so you get the alert as soon as I post it. But yeah, hopefully here in the next few days I will have this finished up, edited, and posting for you so you can check it out. Thanks for tuning in.